So my name is Kokila and I'm a code star at Code Vidya and I teach Scratch and MIT App Inventor and I'm associated with Code Vidya for the last 6 or 7 approx 6 months. Yeah. I love listening music and I love playing badminton. Because when the children are very small of age, like when they are very young, it's very easy to mold them. And see, there are so many things which the students cannot come up with. So we need to uh, make the students to bring their own creativity. Like if they are sitting at the home, they will watch either the TV, they will watch the mobile, but through that they doesn't gain any education or any knowledge kind of a thing. However, the things keeps on moving beyond their mind as well. So how to bring back on the screen, how to bring those things on the screen. So when you start teaching the kids of the younger age, especially to the younger age, sometimes what happens when I teach the younger kids, I myself get to know so many things from the children because they are so creative, they are so positive, they come up with their so brilliant ideas. So teaching code to the young kids is challenging as well, and it's very like knowledgeable as well. You know that nowadays everything is like IT and all, and everything is like AI based as well. So children somehow they are included into the coding. Also, I think it brings creativity with the child. It helps the computational skills as well. It's not necessary that if the child is doing coding, he is learning only coding. He is also learning the mathematical skills as well. He's building his computational skills and creativity. So I think young students should go ahead and learn lots and lots of coding. Actually, I have a passion to teach children coding. So when I gave the interview to the Code Vidya, so I found that this is what the right platform I was looking for. However, I was working in other organizations as well. But here I found there are so many options available. Not only with the Scratch and MIT, there are certain programs also like Python and Raspberry and Java and HTML. And I mean, Code Vidya itself is providing lots and lots of platform to the children. So when I gave the interview, I came to know that these are the programs they are making and they are offering to the children. So I felt that yeah, this is the right place where I can work on and explore so many things and teach the kids. So it was like not only teaching, coming into contact with the children also, it's really very nice. And I love teaching, I love interacting with the children. I get to know so many things from them. And it's not necessary that the only child is gaining the knowledge. The teacher also keeps on learning on everyday basis. So that's a very nice part of Code Vidya. I was having one child with me who was taking the Scratch course with me. The child is so brilliant. The favorite part of the child is he keeps on exploring so many things on himself. Like if I if today I have to teach him that we will be learning how to make the character speak, by that moment the child gets to know that okay miss, can we do this, can we do this, can we add these things into it. So he's one step ahead of me. So he keeps on putting his own ideas into that project, and the project itself becomes very fun and very creative and very beautiful. So I really like that part of the child. So he's one of my favorite child, and he keeps on adding on his ideas. Like if I know that what I'm going to teach today, but he like ice on a cake. So it's like that kind of a thing. He keeps on adding so many things to that project to make it more beautiful, to make it more attractive. And when he runs the program, he's so happy. He's so happy. Like I really cannot explain. So that moment is very good with that child, and how that hour goes on, I really don't get to know. There is one child with me. I would like to share this thing with you. There is one girl with me, and she's been taking app development course. Before starting the coding class, let's say if I'm taking today's session 10 with her, and I'm like, okay, today is your session number 10. So before I complete the other sentence, she will ask me, "Can we have a quiz, please?" She's like that. So every time she is so excited, and now what she has started, now she has again started asking me a quiz. Now she has made a list of certain 10 questions. Now every day, I mean, whenever I'm having the session with her, I'll ask her, and in exchange, she'll ask me again the other quiz. So it's like give and take. Like when I ask her, I she replies that then she will ask the quiz to me. Then I have to think about it. So that's the very good thing about the teaching part. Like student knows that he is for the coding class, but before that he knows that wow, there will be a quiz and I need to think about it. I need to drill my brain and think about it. So that's the very fun part of the, I mean, the code vidya. So the quiz is the main thing which I really love it, and the children actually love it. This is how they get energy also to do the coding and all. Yeah. So favorite thing about the teaching in Code Vidya is that the content is very much organized here. So the trainers doesn't have to look anywhere. The trainers actually doesn't have to take the help from any other trainer or from any other person. It is well organized. uh, Also, like sometimes what happens, there are certain codes which we doesn't get to know that how to run the program. So each and everything is organized in a proper way. I mean, I have worked in other organizations as well. Sometimes what happens, the codes are proper, uh, the presentation screens are proper, but when you try to run the program doesn't run properly. Why? Because the coding structure is not properly organized in that way. But here I have seen each and every file has been organized in a proper way. Like if I'm teaching session 1, so for session 1 I have everything. I have the PPTs, I have the quiz, I have the assignments. So there is lots and lots of things to make the child engage. It's been very, very, very nice, fantastic journey. I had learned lot and lots of things here. Apart from teaching, also the conversation with the children and the training parts as well. I mean, it's almost about 6 months with the code with there, but I don't feel like that I'm here for the past 6 months. I feel like that I have been joined. I mean, it's a kind of a family. So you really doesn't have to think about it. To whom you need to connect with. Everyone is here to support you. Either it is a implementation team, either is it a support team or the quality coach, anyone. So everyone is here to help you. So I never felt like that we are working in a big organization or what. It's like a family. So you can just drop a message to anyone if you face any difficulty, and everyone is there to help you. So yeah, it's been a very fantastic journey. Also, don't think coding is a program or kind of an instructions we are giving to the computer. Just enjoy each and every session, and yeah, I mean, we are here to make uh, things happen in a things happen, or we are here to create a new world. So keep on coding. That's it.